Hi, I'm Joanna Calas, 24 years old from San Vicente, Apalit, Pampanga. I've recently completed my academic journey and now I'm just waiting for my graduation ceremony at Don Honorio Ventura State University, where I took up Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. For 2 years, I worked at Canras Catering, where I gained hands-on experience in the food and hospitality industry. It taught me the value of hard work, attention to detail, and how important it's to create memorable experiences for people, something I truly enjoy doing. One of my strengths is time management. I'm the type of person who loves planning things ahead, making sure everything is organized and tasks are completed on time. I'm also a naturally creative person, especially when it comes to anything related to hospitality and events. However, I'll be honest, one of my weaknesses is being too honest. Sometimes, I say things too bluntly without realizing how it might come across. I've learned that to cope with this, I need to think about my words and deliver them with more empathy and understanding. Outside of work and studies, I love going to the gym. It's not just about fitness or me. It's the way releasing stress, staying disciplined, and constantly pushing myself to improve. I'm excited about what's next for me in this industry, and I look forward to growing both personally and professionally.
Thank you.
Thank you.